Yes, my thumbnail did break, but in this video we're going to fix that, as well as my middle nail, which also broke like kind of longer ago, but I did fix the length using a tea bag, but now I've taken that off, and we're going to actually use polygel to give all my nails, on this hand at least, a overlay, and we're also going to extend them all a bit longer, and yeah, hopefully prevent more breaking like this from happening. So yeah, we're going to be doing all that, so let's get right into it. So my thumbnail broke because I had just done some dip powder nails, and they were really fun, but I used a peel off base coat under them, and as you saw from the little bit of clip earlier, they're super easy to take off, and sometimes they pop off earlier than you want them to. Well, I was at work and the thumbnail popped off just when I got there, and my thumbnail is pretty long. It was about the length of this one here. And before long, the top of it broke off, and then it broke off right here. Fortunately, it did not hurt at all. With my natural nail, with nothing on it to protect it, it just broke, sadly. So first, to prepare my nails for this overlay and extension, I'm going to first make sure my nails have nothing on them, which they all do not have anything except my pointer finger that I just put some base coat on to protect it. Then I'm going to use a 240 file and file the free edge of the nails. I'm just going to smooth out the edge of the thumbnail. And for the rest of the nails, I do want to actually extend them to be a little longer. No, this is funny, but I was looking at some of my older videos when my nails were pretty long, and that made me want to have longer nails again. Not so long, maybe as I did back then, but I just want them to be a little bit pointier. Right now, they're just kind of like stubby, you know, just like a stubby almond. I'm not even sure if this would be considered almond or not, but I think these ones would be. But regardless, I just want a little bit more of a point. Next, we need to remove the dried cuticle on the nails. I'm going to do this first by using a mandrel and sanding band with my e-file. I'm going to have it at a very low RPMs. And I'm just going to come up around the side of the nail first, and then just around the cuticle, very gently buffing away, and then removing the shine on the nail plate. I'm going to then remove the dust with a nail brush, and then I'm going to pump some nail plate sanitizer right onto this, and I basically just made this using alcohol and acetone, and I'm just going to use this to scrub the nails and make sure they are clean. Alright, so now we are ready to begin. I did a review a little while back of this Gershion Polygel kit, and I'm going to be using this one today. It does come with a lot of different polygel colors, forms, instruction manual, a brush, and also a fluffy brush. I think I'm going to go with this color. I do want something that is pretty similar to a nail color, because I want to be able to easily put enhancements over this. And then we also have here a base and top coat. So I'm going to begin by taking the base coat, and I'm just going to begin by applying a thin coat to all the nails. Alright, and then we are going to cure for 30 seconds. I'm going to start with the pinky. I'm going to use the forms that came in this kit too. Alright, and I already poured out a little bit of alcohol that I need to use as kind of like a slip solution idea. So with this kind of polygel, it is really kind of like the runny kind. So you really just like squeeze it onto the nail, and then you use the brush to kind of just float over it and smooth it out. It's kind of weird. It's not really like a normal polygel in the sense. It is a hard gel though, so I like the color I chose here. And this is a hard gel, so it will not soak off when I do something on the top, which is really cool. I did use this before to repair broken nails, and it was really cool how I could just soak off whatever I do on the top and it would still stay. What do I think about that shape? Well, this gel is actually pretty easy to file, like compared to acrylic, so I actually really like that. Okay. I did play around with the thicker kind of polygel at school, and I didn't really like it actually. It was kind of weird. I thought I would, but I don't know why. I think I kind of like this runnier version more. I don't know. Alright, so I think I am just about happy with this. I'm going to go cure this. Alright, then I'm going to remove the form, and since these forms aren't like the clear kind, some of the polygel underneath isn't cured yet. So you can do that by flipping your nail under, and I'm going to do that, but I'm just going to smooth out the bottom part here. Then I'm going to flip my hand under and cure it under the lamp like that. Okay, I'm excited, I love this. Okay, so it does have a tacky layer. Okay, I think I will move on to the next nail so we can like file them all at the same time. Alright, we did it! I extended all the nails, but now I'm going to take a file. This one has a 180 side, so we're going to just shape these. I'm also going to smooth the top, and then after that I will go over and add some more polygel to build up a little bit more structure on some of the nails. Some of them have some spots missing, so I'm just going over again. Alrighty, so I went ahead and added a little bit more polygel to hopefully build up some structure on some of the nails, and then I filed that. So I'm right now actually going to top coat these. I'm not ready to do any kind of enhancement on top of these, and it's really cool that there is colored polygel because then you can just wear a color like this. I think this pink is really pretty. So I will put a top coat on this if I want to do an enhancement later. I can just buff that off, and I'm just going to go ahead and top coat these guys. What I'm also really excited about with having having a pretty strong base down to protect my natural nails is being able to wear my regular nail polish more often. I know it may sound weird, but especially in the winter months, my nails are drier and my nails just break too easily when I'm wearing regular nail polish. But with this kind of a foundation, I think I'll feel much more confident wearing regular nail polish on them. I do have a lot of regular nail polish that I just haven't really been able to wear that much, sadly. So I think it'll be really fun to be able to get back into that. So I will probably be trying out this arrangement I have on my nails for a little bit, and when it grows out, I'll probably just see how I like it and then fill them in if I do like it. Otherwise, this product is a file off only removal, so I would just have to carefully file it to remove it. So before curing, I'm just going to make sure I don't have any top coat on my skin. Then once I'm happy, I'm going to go cure this. And these are what the nails look like. I love these. I love the new length, and the color is just so pretty. I'll probably get these acrylics off soon so that I can do the same thing for other hands, so we're gonna have some matching. They were a bit challenging to do on my left hand, especially as I don't really do much with the polygel. So it definitely took quite a while doing these. But I think it'll be only faster when I do it on my left hand. Oh, and this top coat that comes in the kit is no wipe, so you don't have to have that tacky layer to deal with. So here's the final look, guys. I really like how with products like these, you can just easily fix if you have a broken nail and just have all the nails the same length, which I think is really amazing. The polygel is a little bit different to work with. It's kind of the runnier kind, not really the traditional kind that's more like acrylic that you kind of pat down. I don't know how to explain it. So if you don't mind that, you could get this kit if you think you'd enjoy it. So that will do it for this video. I will probably do my left hand some other time. So thank you guys for watching. I do hope you enjoyed seeing what I was doing here. Please feel free to check out the other videos on my channel. I'll have a playlist in the upper right corner. Remember that a smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. So I hope to see you all in my next video. Thank you again for watching, and until next time, stay warm and have a magical day.